Hello students, আজি আমি start কৰিম application of Gauss's theorem. The Gauss's theorem to কি আছিল যে total electric flux passing through a closed surface is equal to 1 by epsilon naught times of the total charge enclosed by the surface. এটো হৈছিল Gauss's theorem. এতিয়া Gauss's theorem আমি application চাওঁ হা. First application টো হৈছে electric field intensity due to an infinitely long straight charge wire. এডাল charge wireৰ কাৰণে electric field intensity আমি কি হ'ব তাৰ বিষয়ে আমি পঢ়িম। আহা derivation টো চাওঁ। এডাল আমি infinitely long charge wire consider কৰিছো য'ত positive charge বোৰ আছে। এতিয়া আমি electric field intensity উলিয়াব লাগে at a point P which is at a distance r from the charged wire. It is the perpendicular distance. So to find electric field intensity at P, we are considering Gaussian surface. So Gaussian surface will be a cylindrical surface where P lies on the curved surface. Okay, like this. So this is the cylindrical Gaussian surface. So what is Gaussian surface? Gaussian surface is a closed surface around a charge distribution such that electric field intensity has a single fixed value at every point on the surface. So Gaussian surface is a surface where electric field intensity is same at every point. So in the curved surface, at every point electric field intensity same, like in the top and bottom face. So in the cylindrical surface there are total 3 surfaces. One is top surface and bottom surface, and last one is curved surface. Let the length of the cylinder is L. So first we consider one of the side surface which is named as A. So direction of area vector is always perpendicular to the plane, like this. And direction of electric field intensity for positive charge is radially outward. So here will be the direction of electric field. So angle between area and E is 90 degree. Secondly, another surface is B. Area vector direction this way and electric field direction this way. So angle between them is 90 degree. Third one, area is C on the curved surface. So here electric field, direction of electric field and direction of area vector is same, then angle between these two is 90 degree. Okay, so we have 3 surfaces A, B and C. In case of A and B, angle between area and electric field is 90 degree, but in case of C, angle between area and electric field is 0 degree. Okay, and flux is a dot product of E and A. So we have to find electric field intensity at P. So from Gauss's law, total flux is equal to Q by epsilon naught. Q is the charge enclosed by the surface. So we have here 3 surfaces. So total electric flux, one is for the surface A, second one is for surface B, and third one is for surface C. There are 3 surfaces, and it will be the dot product of E and area, E dot ds. ds is a small area. So in case of area A, angle is 90 degree. In case of area B, angle is also 90 degree. And in case of C, angle is 0 degree. So cos 90 degree value is 0. So value of electric flux in case of area A and area B is 0. So total flux is equal to E integration of ds only for the curved surface. Okol curved surface konar majere he electric flux pass hobo. Baki duta surface or majere nohoy. ds is ki? ds is the curved surface area of the cylinder. Curved surface area of the cylinder ki? Twice pi rl. R is the radius of the cylinder and L is the length of the cylinder. So this 2 is equal twice pi rl equal to q by epsilon naught. Again q is equal to, q is the total charge, is equal to lambda into L, where lambda linear charge density. Linear charge density means every point of charge to equal. So q is equal to alpha into L because total length of the cylinder is L. Therefore, E into twice pi r is equal to lambda L divided by epsilon naught. So L keta jabo yate ki thakibo? E is equal to 1 by twice pi epsilon naught lambda by r. So this is the value of electric field intensity. So we have seen that here only variable is r. That means distance is only variable. So for a long charge wire, electric field is dependent only upon the distance of the point from the charge wire. Okol distance or upon depend kore kiman distance ot ami point to consider korisu. The direction of electric field intensity is radially outward from the positive line charge. For negative line charge, it will be radially inward. Positive charge or karone electric field intensity hoday outward or negative charge or karone hoday inward. The electric field intensity is independent of the size of the Gaussian surface constructed. It depends only on the distance of point of consideration. That means the Gaussian surface should contain the point of consideration. It will say electric field intensity Gaussian surface kono upor depend nokore. Point to ami kiman durot consider koisu tar uporothe depend kore. Already final formula to dekhisu ami je okol r to he variable. R to ami ki dhorisilu? P point or distance from the charged wire. Thik ase baru? Ekhiniye yar derivation. Next application to ami next video to porhim. Thank you.